Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows settings not opening or closes immediately when you try to open it in Windows 11. So if you're facing this problem here through this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First, you can just right click on the start menu in here, the Windows icon. Right click on it and then just tap on this terminal admin option. And then here, this will pop up. You can now just tap on yes. Okay, so after the Windows PowerShell is open, you can now just enter this code right here. So I'm going to copy this code. Later, I'm going to put this code on the video description, so you can just copy it. This is the code. You can just paste it in here, and then you can hit on enter. And after this, you can try to restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed. So if it's still not fixed, you can try to go to the terminal admin again. Right click on the start menu, click on terminal admin, tap on yes. And now on this window PowerShell, you just need to copy this code, this new code, the second one in here. If you're using a Windows 11, you can copy the third one if you're using a Windows 10. So I'm going to copy the second one and paste it in here and then hit on open or enter. And after this will show up. So what you need to do next is just restart your computer again. And after that, it is done. So hopefully it will solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.